Guys, welcome to my channel Shadab Rishi. So please like, comment, subscribe and watch full video. So today I'm gonna discuss a very good app. It's Wolf Network. So it's a new mining app I am discussing today, and I am already mined 30 coins in it. I will share the link in the description so you can join through my
This
link
is the easiest way to
and
make
you
money
can
on
earn
the
some
side.
money. You can see there is
Download
our
Pluto.
rewards. You have to watch video, and I am already watching that video, and I will get the rewards. And you can also see in the Fox Exchange. I already made a video on the Fox Exchange. You can check the video in my playlist cryptocurrencies, and you can check there the value of Fox coin is right now $0.7. So it's a good way to mine right now, so good opportunity because they are giving 2 Fox coins per hour right now. So its app is right now, internet connection is I think a issue, so I have to close app again and open the app again. So I'm opening the app. So it's just taking time, so I think another time its internet connection I have to close it fully first. So check internet connection, so I think I will close all the apps, so then I will again go to this and open this Wolf Network again, and you can see it's opening. So it had just opened now, so you can see now I have 38 coins now, and after hour I can claim on coins, and I have a mining session, 9 hours left for my mining session, so I can invite my friends to get 50 Fox coins. So I will put the link in the description so that you can join through my link to get benefits. So good to see. So thank you guys.